Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to send video as document on WhatsApp application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first you have to do is open up Photos app, then you can open up any album, let it be recent, and then you have to find a video that you want to send as document, let it be that one. You can just open it up, and then all you have to do is right here hit at that share icon to bring up that options. In here, just stop where it says Save to Files. You have to save this document to files first to be able to send them as a document. So I'll hit at Save to Files. It opens up my Downloads folder. I can save it right here, or I can go back. I can create any folders in here and then save that video as document wherever I want. So I'll just hit on save, and now I can hop out Photos and open up WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, first I have to go to chats, then I'm gonna open up some conversation, and here, in order to send a video as document, all I have to do is hit right here at plus sign, and here, instead of selecting photo and video library, I will hit add document. It opens up the same Downloads folder. I can just check mark the file that I have saved before. I can also check mark multiple files in that way, and after that I can hit add open and then hit on send. That sends the file to that conversation, and the recipient can view that file, and also they are able to save this file to their files folder. And also during that process, that file doesn't compress, so that file keeps original video quality. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, where you can find a lot of other useful videos. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.